Hello. For this video, I'm going to explain how you can turn on automatic updates and how to update your Windows computer or laptop. So to start off, what you're going to want to do is press Windows I to open up your settings panel and head to your control panel. This is on Windows 8.1, but Windows I will still open your settings and you can still navigate to your control panel. And now just search in Updates, Windows Update right here. Now, first alert that's showing is that automatic updating is off. So what you can do is just turn on automatic updates right there. It's checking for updates. And it's just waiting. Basically, it already turned on automatic updates and it's already working on it. So it's already installing automatic updates, which is recommended. And you can check this, so any Microsoft programs on your computer will be updated when Microsoft updates Windows. And here you can view your update history. And when there is an available update, you can update it here, or you can ask the computer to check for updates if you know there should be one that you need. And that's it for installing Windows updates and turning on automatic ones.